Everyone knows what a garbage disposal is, but there are many myths about garbage disposals that cause people to have issues with their drains and their plumbing. Myth number 1 is that ice cubes will sharpen the blades in your garbage disposal. Ice cubes can be great for cleaning out the little pieces stuck in your garbage disposal, but they don't do anything when it comes to sharpening. This is because garbage disposals don't have actual blades. The so-called blades that they have are actually called impellers. The impellers spin extremely fast to push the food along the walls of the garbage disposal to completely break it down. If you decide to use ice to help clean out your garbage disposal, be careful of how much you use. If you use too much at once, it can clog your disposal. Myth number 2 is that coffee grounds will keep your garbage disposal smelling fresh. While this might actually be true, it doesn't mean it's good for your pipes. Not only are coffee grounds really messy, but they can create major clogs in your pipes. When mixed with water, they turn into a sludge-like substance. This will create a lot of buildup in your pipes. If you're looking to keep your garbage disposal smelling fresh, we recommend using baking soda and vinegar. Myth number 3 is that any food can be put down your disposal. I'm sure you know by now after talking about coffee grounds that this isn't true. Foods such as rice, pasta, and cereal are not good to put down your garbage disposal because they expand when they get wet. This can easily create clogs in your disposal and your pipes, especially if you put too much down the drain at once. You might think that things like oil and grease would be fine to put down your drain. They're basically water, right? Oil and grease are probably the worst things that you can put down your drain. Whether it's olive oil or vegetable oil, both of these will create major clogs in your pipes. The oil will harden in your pipes, which will make it hard for anything else to get through. If you thought pouring oil down your drain was bad, grease is even worse. Never put any grease down your drain, even if it's just a tiny bit. Even a small amount of grease down your drain can cause massive issues. Make sure to be extra cautious of what you're putting down your garbage disposal. And if you're not sure, just put it in the trash. Those are the 3 common myths about garbage disposals.